Alright guys, welcome back to Rome Reviews. I'm Rome, and today I want to talk about Honor's ecosystem, otherwise known as MagicRing, and just their overall ecosystem. I've been using the Honor Magic 7 RSR and the Honor Magic V5 for a few days now, and I found myself wrapped up in wanting to experience more of their ecosystem, which triggered me to make this video because now I have a firmer understanding of why different companies create an ecosystem, because really it just makes it's meant to not only allow productivity between their different devices, but also to make you want more of their devices because things work so seamlessly between them. And it made me have, don't get me wrong, Apple, they do what they do. But one thing nobody can argue is that their ecosystem is really well built, which keeps a lot of their fan base wrapped up in their different devices. So I have an appreciation for that because Android, while Samsung is doing a decent job outside of that, a lot of the different OEMs really struggle with creating a solid ecosystem. And I feel like Apple has really done well with that. I think Google is really trying to just bring it all together from their perspective, from what they're trying to do on their side. But I feel like it's lacking a little bit. It's gotten a lot better. Don't get me wrong. Now I do appreciate what Google is doing, but Honor just has what I feel like is something special, because even for it to be a foreign device that I've imported here, a lot of the features work really well. And I just want to touch on that real quick. So let's jump over to the overhead and let's get rolling. So let me wipe these bad boys down real quick and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm not going to make this a lengthy video because I don't have a lot of devices, so I really can't show you everything, but I want to show you what you can do and how flawlessly it works between the devices, okay? So let's jump into it. So let's go ahead and open the browser, and you can see I have Google's homepage open. And let's say I want to jump to one of these articles. So just for the sake of argument, I don't have a SIM card in my Honor Magic V5 right now. And let's say I'm on here and I found something I really want to share with somebody. So I'm like, oh, this is nice. Let me send this to my phone that does have the SIM card in it. Share file, yeah, ignore, okay? And you'll see right away that the Honor Magic RSR pops up because I have that share feature enabled on both devices. Now I have used Vivo quite a bit, and I always have a little issues here and there where I feel like since it's multiple Vivo devices, they should work together more seamlessly than what they do. But it stumbles a little bit, so you have to work around it a little bit. But Honor just really has this thing where, hey, I hit the button and it sends it over to the other phone. It's sent, done. But you can go a step further. So let's jump into MagicRing itself. You'll see this at the bottom. When it's not set up, it'll actually say MagicRing here, and you can click in it to get it all set up. You have to have an Honor account, and there are ways to work around that. If you guys want to see a video on that, because One-Eyed Tech Guy is who helped me get this going. He gave me the instructions and I followed them. So really not helped me as so much as just he did the work for me, the research. But anyway, just wanted to give him credit for that. What you can do is, hey, I have my other phone on charge, is low right now, but I need to send this out to somebody. So I don't want to forget about it. So what I can do is just click on there, and I could do screen sharing, or I could do, but let's say if I want to take, I want a control device, so I have it set up on a tripod pointed at the scene, and I want to do photography. Let's see, I can click on photography. Well, I should have dragged it up to my Honor Magic V5. And it'll bring up the camera. It say the photography service is in use on it to take photos. I should have had a timer or something on it, but let's stop that. I felt like what I did do before, I could take photos. But anyway, let's say that didn't work right. Let's go to screen sharing. And what I can do, let me unlock it really quickly. All right, put that back in there. You guys see that? I have the device set up. And you can see that when I rotate the other device, it changes the aspect ratio on here. But anyway, let's go back home. Let's open that camera up and boom. You can see that I still haven't finished unpacking yet. But anyway, I can hit that, boom, take a photo. And I just feel like that's really handy. I mean, of course, it's going to be rare scenarios where you can actually do that, and even rare that you would be walking around with two on their phones. But it's just nice to have those options. So anyway, come out of that. And let's say, you know, I have my article. I want to send it to somebody. I can open my messages or whatever, blah, blah, blah. It's just really robust. And that's just with two phones. Imagine what you can do with two laptops. I mean, yeah, two laptops. Maybe if you had their tablet, I think Honor has a tablet. I need to look at more of their devices because I'm so new to Honor. And anyway, let me calm down a little bit. As you can tell, their ecosystem has me excited because it just makes me start thinking about all these different things I could do. Let's say I had a project edited on my laptop, forgot to send it before I ran out the house. I can remote it to my laptop real quick and go ahead and send it over to whoever I wanted to go to. It just, they have something special here and it works really well. And let me see, I think there was one more thing that I wanted to show. Let me exit out of this, disconnect. And let me go back down here again. So screen sharing and tethering and photography service. Let's see what tethering is because I haven't actually tried that one yet. And I love to do things live. So tethering in use. Yeah, I don't know what that did. I have to research that a little bit more, but I like to do things live with you guys. So forgive me if I'm not fully fleshed out with what each feature does. Because I just get excited and jump on camera. But yeah, anyway, you can do screen share and fully control that other device to get it to do whatever you want to do. And I just can't wait to do this with other Honor devices. So anyway, just wanted to create a quick video about MagicRing, and it does work really well. I was actually surprised at how well it worked actually. So anyway, just to wrap this video up real quick, if there's anything more that you want to see, I'm going to keep digging into Honor and Magic OS and just different things like that. And I do have more Vivo videos coming back to the channel. I've just been testing these different devices and just getting kind of caught up. But don't worry, more Vivo content is coming. Meanwhile, while I wrap this video up, I just want to say I do have a Patreon and memberships are live on the actual channel. I'm still working on justifying the cost and being able to pay for content and things like that in my head. I just can't justify it yet. So that's why I haven't fully set it up. But everything is, the Patreon is free right now. Of course, there are paid tiers where you can pay for it just to support the channel. Memberships are paid, of course. If you want to support the channel, I appreciate anything, any and everything. It all goes towards more tech that I can review for you guys. So yeah, just want to mention that in the video. All right. So outside of that, more content coming, more content coming. So anyway, really appreciate you guys tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one. Later.